guys, it's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do curly hair content as well as DIY beauty hacks. So if that's something you're into, please subscribe. I would love you forever. Today is another DIY beauty hack. So I'm going to show you something that I get a lot of comments on, and that is how to get the softest, smoothest, glowiest skin of your whole life. And it's really easy. So I just want to show you how I do it. It's a couple steps. As always, it's super cheap too. So let's go. Heading into the shower, we're going to start with our first 3 important steps, and then the last 2 non-negotiable steps will happen after the shower. The first thing you're going to need is a good sharp razor. I use men's razors. I think they're a little bit sharper. I think they work better. I don't know why, but that's what I do. So make sure your razor is sharp. The next step is optional. Sometimes I find that a shaving gel or shaving cream helps me get a closer shave and makes my legs seem a little bit smoother. I just buy the cheapest one I can find. The next thing you'll need is some kind of exfoliating device. I usually use EcoTools charcoal exfoliating sponges, but Target was out, so I bought this thing and this works. Just something to exfoliate your skin. The next thing I recommend is a sugar scrub. This is my favorite one. It's from Tree Hut. It's a really good exfoliator, and something about it just makes my skin so smooth and soft. I think it's the shea butter in it. My favorite scents, my favorite thing to smell like is anything tropical. So this is Coco Colada. It's like a coconutty tropical smell, and I love this stuff. Clearly my roommate loves it too. She is stocked up. So this is a house favorite. Okay, so once you have those few things ready, you're gonna start your shower. Grab your favorite soap or body wash. This is the one I've been using lately. Put it on your exfoliating sponge and start exfoliating your skin. I really try to put only clean ingredients on my body, on my hair, on my skin. And I'm not super hardcore about this, but I do try to be aware of it. So this is a good clean body wash. It's by Native and it's my favorite scent, key lime and sugar. I'm just gonna show you everything on my arms because I do the same things to my arms that I do to my legs, and it's just easier to film my arms. And yes, I am going to shave my arms. If you think that's weird, I don't care. I love being smooth everywhere, so I do this to my arms too. And then we're gonna go in with the sugar scrub after that. So taking my favorite Coco Colada sugar scrub. I love the texture and smell of this. It's amazing. And I put this all over my body, not just on the areas that I'm going to shave. I put this literally everywhere. Okay, so these last 2 steps are non-negotiable. If you do nothing else from this routine, do these 2. If you want to buy one thing from this whole routine, get this. It's Jergens Hydrating Coconut. This stuff is the truth. So moisturizing, makes your skin feel like silk and makes you smell like a coconut, like an island, like a tropical island. The number 2 most important step is a body oil. So this one is the Brazil Nut body oil from Trader Joe's, and it's a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro body oil. It smells just like it. The only problem is I've been having a hard time finding this at Trader Joe's again, so I'm really hoping they bring it back. You know, sometimes they just put things out for a little bit and you have to grab them or you'll never see them again. So if I ever see this again, I'm grabbing it, and you should too. So this lotion for sure, and then a body oil. If you do nothing else, do these. I do it everywhere, like my whole body. Don't forget your hands. So that's just with the lotion. I am so smooth, so soft. Sometimes I just do the lotion and I still get so many compliments on my skin. For the oil, don't do too much because a little bit actually goes a long way. And try not to get it on your clothes too. Oil's hard to get out of clothes. And it's not gonna stay oily. Like this is pretty slick right now. Eventually it will absorb into your skin and just be really smooth and really soft. And there it is. I am so smooth, so soft, and this isn't just for the night. I'm gonna wake up and be so smooth, so soft, and that is my secret for super smooth, glowy skin. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.